Hello everyone, it's me, Miriam. I am actually getting prepared for the open house that we're having here at 19216 Woodsage Drive in Wesley Chapel, Florida. So I just wanted to give you a little tour of the inside of the house. It's actually pouring outside. So we'll see how this goes. It actually slowed down a little bit, but as you come into the house, the entryway, you are greeted by a large staircase that goes to the second floor. They have beautiful light fixtures. And I love the little alcove entrance that they have. Features. Here to the left is a full-size laundry room. This one does not include the appliances. Has the wood plank vinyl flooring throughout the house. I love the neutral gray of the walls. And then coming down the entryway leads you into the great room. And as you can see, you have a really nice sight line from the entrance of the house to the back, screened in lanai that backs up to a conservation lot. Very nice oversized lanai. Has two entrances. Has some nice greenery and trees back there. And here's the great room. As you can see, it's an extremely large great room. Nice large window that overlooks, again, the backyard and the conservation area. So it's going to provide a lot of natural lighting. Nice crown molding, or baseboards, I should say, on the floor. And you see the Tiffany light fixtures in the kitchen. Now the kitchen has all new stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, new cabinetry. One of my favorite features here. One, two nice size pantries. Some cabinet space around the refrigerator. And over here, has a coat closet underneath the stairs. It can be used for storage. So as we walk through the family room into this other little entryway, we have, let me turn the light on in here. Well, there's a light, there's a fan. We have a nice half bath. It also has the granite countertops throughout. Nice painted walls to the ceiling. That's a nice feature. Then you come back here, and this can be an office. Well, actually, it would have to be deemed as an office or a den because it does not have a closet. As you can see, there's nice ceiling fans throughout. Wood blinds. Plenty of natural lighting in this house. And then we'll come through here, back down through the entryway. And let's see what they have upstairs. So the upstairs is all carpeted. It's all brand new carpet. And over here to my right is the first bedroom, average size bedroom. Also has the ceiling fans, lighted ceiling fans. Nice size closet. And we come, here's our second bedroom. This one appears to be a little larger than the first. Also carpeted. And they have followed through the entire house with this muted, very neutral color, light shade of gray. And here's the third bedroom. Another average sized bedroom. The door stuck. Oh, and surprisingly enough, this bedroom here has a larger closet. Come back through the hallway. And then we have our second bath. This is a nice sized bathroom. And then here we have our master suite. Master suite also has the lighted ceiling fan. It's a nice, spacious, large room. Double windows, providing a lot of natural light throughout the house. The house follows through with these archway openings. Go back through. It has a his and hers walk-in closet. So let's see if I can find a light here. So much for live video. But here's one closet. So there'd be no fighting over closet space. And here we have the master bathroom. It has a single sink in here, but actually, if you see, it's large enough to have two. So that's definitely something that could be open for a little change if you chose to do that. It has a walk-in shower. Again, more natural lighting throughout. And a soaking bath. So that's pretty much the house. There's a 2-car garage downstairs. And as you can tell, there's plenty of storage space throughout the house. Here's another linen closet. So you have spacious closets, nice sized bathrooms, lots of natural lighting throughout the house, new carpet, wood plank flooring, high ceilings in your foyer. Sort of gives it that grand entrance appearance. So here it is. So here I am at 19216 Wood Sage Drive in Wesley Chapel, Florida. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And